Hello friends, welcome to Advantage Pro. In this video, we are going to see Ncert solutions for Class 7 Science, Chapter 5, Acid, Bases and Salts. Before going to the video, please take all the notes in this awkward situation. Also, we are taking classes for you, so please make a use of it. And this is a pre-meeting video. We will start from book back exercise, and the first question is: state difference between acid bases and acid bases. Acid or sour in nature. Acid turn blue litmus paper into red color. Acid does not change the color of red litmus paper. Acid did not change the color of turmeric. Bases are bitter in taste. The base does not change the color of blue litmus paper. Base turn red litmus paper to blue litmus paper. Bases turn turmeric to red. And second question is: ammonia is found in many household products such as window cleaners. It turns red litmus blue. What is the nature? Answer is ammonia as a basic nature. This is the answer. And the third question is: name the source from which litmus paper solution is obtained. What is the use of solution? The answer for this question is: litmus solution is extracted from lichens. It is used to determine whether the given solution are acidic or a basic. And the fourth question is: is the distilled water acidic or basic or neutral? How do you verify it? Distilled water will be neutral. We can verify it by showing that neither blue nor red litmus paper changes its colors when dipped in it. This was done by neutral litmus paper. And the fifth question is: describe the process of neutralization with the help of an example. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are produced in the process with the evaluation of heat. Antacids like milk of magnesia, magnesium hydroxide, baking soda, etc., which contain a base, are used for reducing acidity in stomach when exclusive acid released by glands. And the sixth question is: tick mark T if the statement is true and F if the statement is false. Nitric acid turns red litmus blue. False. Sodium hydroxide turns blue litmus red. False. Sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric neutral each other and form solid and water. True. Indicator is a substance which shows different colors in a stick basic solution. True. Do 3K is an example for the presence of base. False. And the seventh question: Dorjo has a few bottles of soft drink in his restaurant, but unfortunately there is no label. He has served the drinks on the demand of customer. One customer wants acidic drink, another wants basic, and third one wants neutral drink. How will Dorjo decide the drink to be served whom? Dorjo can decide with the help of litmus paper. First one, the drink whom turn red would be basic. If the turns blue to red will be acid. The drink would not affect both is neutral. And the eighth: explain why antacid is a tablet. When you suffer from acidity, we take antacids such as milk of magnesia neutralize the excessive released in the mouth. Calamine solution is applied on the skin and hand bites, which causes inflammation to the skin. The effect of rubbing calamine solution will be zinc carbonate, which is very weak base and causes no harm to the skin. C. Factory waste is neutralized before disposing it to water bodies. Waste of water bodies contains acid. If acids are disposed of in water body, the acid will harm the organism. So factory wastes are neutralized by adding basic substances. And ninth question is: three liquids are given to you. One is hydrochloric acid, another one is hydroxide, and third one is sugar solution. How will you identify them? You have only turmeric indicator. Answer is name of the substance, effect on turmeric indicator. Hydrochloric acid yellow to blue, sodium hydroxide yellow to red. Third one, sugar solution, no change. And the 10th question is blue litmus paper is dipped in a solution, it remains blue. What is the nature of the solution? Explain. It can be identified on the basis of following observations. Bases can change the color of blue litmus paper to blue. As the color of blue litmus paper is not affected, the solution must be basic. If the solution is neutral, even the color of litmus will not change. And the 11th question is consider the following terms. Both acids and base change color of all indicators. If an indicator gives an color change with the acid, it does not give a change with base. See, if an indicator changes color with a base, it does not change color with an acid. Change of color is in acid and base depends upon the indicator. Which of the following terms are correct? 2. A and D. And the session is over.